I wanted to share with you where we are with our experiment. These are the individual files of each block, and here you can see them highlighted on the LED block only, and then later we're going to do the OLED and another one up here, the control input. That's for the motor. And then, the channel, make sure the channel's working. But each one of those are subsets of the overall program, okay? And they're in Word now, and I bring them down. Then I paste them over here into the IDE piece, and I load it and run it. I'll do a compile to make sure there's no errors. Usually not. If there are, they're quick to fix. And then I run the system. So I've plugged it in and downloaded it. And since this is the LED test code, what we're seeing here is what's called the heartbeat is yellow, the communications, which is green, and the ESTOP, which is red. And the ESTOP is being forced to fire every 2 seconds, just to prove that that light and that button all work together. And they're being triggered automatically internal in like a simulator. You might think of it that way. So we're just seeing green lights and yellow lights and red lights flash. It's like, okay, but this is a test for the purpose of these are going to tell us something once we get going, right? And so we also have a digital printout that we can use, and here we'll see we've added a loop align, we've given the LED pin numbers, and then loop alive just means I'm looping. Every time this jumps, it loops, and we have what we call auto scroll. If we want, we can sit here and watch, and it'll jump. Every time it runs, it'll jump up. And then you have to scroll way up to find what you want. No, it's a little messy, so I turn it off. There's where we started. It goes through some gibberish, and then it settles down, and then it tells us LED only. TX is communications is 2, heartbeat is 5, ESTOP is 4, and the loop is alive. Boom, 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 boom. And then the visual is you check the lights. Okay, so this is the block 1 of the 5 blocks for the basic level 2. And we're setting these up so you can wire and test exactly as I'm doing. As you go along, you're going to be building onto this and adding more features as you do the testing. That way, you're building on what you know is a good anchor. You're putting another block on, and you'll be folding them in and all that good stuff. Okay? So I just thought I'd give you an update. We're not sleeping. We're not on vacation. We are eating bonbons, but only in the morning. And I'm hoping to get through these tests today, documentation, the files, everything. And it looks like the only place I can really put this stuff is in one of the most used things, GitHub. And then I'll just, when I post these, I'll tell you where the programs are located. I'll probably post that on the YouTube when I do the videos. Okay, so I'll set this up. I know it's a little boring, but it's like you're watching. I mean, 8th graders do that. Yeah, but we're not. We're gonna get there. We're gonna have sounds and other stuff going on here shortly. Okay, talk to you later.